Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Honda Rebel 500 first look. So make sure to watch the full video. Honda's popular Rebel 500 is back for 2023 in 3 trim levels. The standard 500, an ABS version, and the ABS SE. These models will be available in dealerships starting this December and will start at $6,449 standard, $6,749 ABS, and $6,949 ABS SE. These models are unchanged mechanically for the coming model year, with Honda focusing more on the bagger version of its Rebel 1100. Each is powered by the same 471cc liquid-cooled single. Each has the same 41mm fork and dual shock arrangement. And each has the same braking setup and dimensions. The Base Edition and ABS Edition will come in candy blue or matte black metallic, while the ABS SE model will be available in titanium metallic. The SE is equipped with up-spec items from Honda's accessory catalog, including black fork boots, a brown diamond-stitched seat, black upper fork covers, and a headlight cowl. Back in 2017, when the Rebel became a 500, it caused quite a splash, marking one of the most significant upgrades to the model since its debut in 1985. It got some additional love in 2020 with upgrades such as an assist slipper clutch, updated suspension components, a more sophisticated instrument panel, and LED lighting. The Rebel 500 has appeal well beyond using the latest tech, so it's no surprise that Honda decided to leave well enough alone. Its unintimidating size, smooth power band, and transmission, easy-to-handle character, and palatable price make this a really appealing bike for many riders, and will likely do just fine through 2023 and beyond. What do you think about the new Honda Rebel 500? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.